All right, people, today is Sunday, July 30th. The perpetual darkness continues. I think this guy's bike backfired a couple times. Holy shit. Don't get coffee there. It sucks. As you can see. Incompetence beyond comprehension. Their defense, they probably get treated like shit and paid nothing. And I know I should buy a fucking coffee pot, I get it. Anyway, the perpetual darkness continues. Anybody wants to look up the definition of a cloud, go ahead. The definition is an aerosol. You know why? Because clouds don't make rain. Atmospheric rivers of moistures make rain. The rain that we get are pollution clouds made from aerosols, primarily coal ash. Going on 2 years of not one clear day, not one solid blue sky day, and I mean blue. Not one. It's always white, or whatever color the emissions of the plant are at that day, or that time. And they'll tell you they're in compliance. They're in compliance of the criminal EPA, which is run by the retired CEOs of the energy companies and the politicians' scumbags. Funny how that always goes that way. And don't think you're going to vote anybody in or out. The playbook is run by the elites, and they do what they're told. So this is the most blatant, obvious cloud-making, dirty coal in action. Call up there and ask them what's going on. They won't tell you. We're in compliance. You're in compliance with the criminals. So that makes you one of them. They know exactly what's going on. They know exactly what's being dumped out of there. They know they're blocking the sun. Now that information is somewhere, and I will find it. I would think it has to be somewhere. Like the output of the plant. And could you see if they've documented the output of the plant 2 years ago versus now? That's the question. Or are they fudging the numbers to make it look like nothing changed? That's the question. My guess is they're covering it up. But what if they weren't? Then it would be blatant. Everywhere you look, notice the sun is not out. It's blanketed, covered. So what they're doing is they're demonizing the sun. So every time the sun comes out, and they've already elevated the temperatures previous to that, then it's 100 times hotter. So they're demonizing the sun to sell you their bogus cloud blanket that's going to save us all from the sun. It's always a scam. So after that comes the carbon tax, all the green energy bullshit, which that's how they're going to take your homes. They're going to try and make you become compliant at a cost that you won't be able to afford. The 15-minute cities are coming. They're already starting to build them. We're in big trouble, people. And and nobody's doing a thing about it.